Today's lesson in math is lesson 15. We are relating arrays to tape diagrams, and we're modeling the commutative property in this lesson. I'm going to do number 3 from their homework. It says, George swims 7 laps in the pool each day. How many laps does George swim after 4 days? So if I'm going to draw a tape diagram for this problem, I draw my piece of tape. Since there are 4 days, that means 4 sections of the tape. Each one of those sections of the tape is a day. It says in the problem that he swims 7 laps in the pool each day. So one of these is 7. Okay? If each one is 7, they are looking for the total. The kids have to learn that the unknown, the number that they're looking for, is the question mark in a tape diagram. Okay? So you have 4 days. You have 7 in each day. 7 laps in each day. What is your total? That's what you're trying to figure out in number 3 for the homework. So if each of these is 7, and you're counting by 7, or you're skip counting by 7s, 7, 14, 21, 28. So 4 times 7 equals 28, and the answer is 28 laps. And that's how you would draw a tape diagram for number 3 in the homework, and that's how you'd solve it.